So in today's video we're going to have a look at effects. So if you notice down the right hand side I've got nothing down on that menu bar, but when I tap on the timeline, then go over to the right hand side, I've got effects there. So when I go on to there, I can add a pulse effect. So when I do that, I can adjust the speed and the amount. So if I check where the blade is, blade's at the beginning. Let's play the video. So if I tap on the text, I've got effects for the text as well. So I can tap on vaporize. So I can increase the intensity, grain. All the different effects that I'm using will have different properties to them. So let's try the text effect. So if I go to the end of a timeline, if I move the blade over, then tap on the still image, and move that to take up more screen. Then I've got different types of effects for still images. So when I tap on the effect, it's got all the different types. So you could do background removal like that, and then you could blur the background, and then put the image on top with a blurred background, and then you would have a blurred background but with showing the person on the top. Color shift. Let's try it with the color shift. So if we move back with the blade, let's collapse this. So if you go up to the top right hand corner, you can collapse it. You can fit the timeline. You can zoom out the timeline. You can move the blade so that you can see more what's going on then. So if you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.